Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll be doing another acrylic pouring with you guys, and I'm going to be doing just a simple canvas with a white background and those colours just in the middle and blowing it out. So I've finally got the hang of the blow dry, which is a plus because I love that method. So please keep watching, and so hopefully you guys will like the end results. So let's get started. From my previous videos you can tell that I've always put my tin foil down just for an easy cleanup. So I've also taped them down just in case some wind wants to come through and lift it up. Pins on the back. So nice clear clean canvas. I think this one is a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas. I purchased these ones from Kmart. You get like a 3-pack for like $5 or something. It's really cheap, and they seem pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to go down with a white, just a plain white acrylic paint as my base. Okay, so now I'm going to go on with the primary colours, which I have chosen today is, I'm going to go down with the blue first, a nice bright blue. I'm just going to do a little line, say, this is the metallic blush. And this one is a bit of a mixture. Oh, it's quite lumpy. It's a bit of a mixture. We've got, I'm going to try to get that lump out first. So it's like, it's, I have to have a look and put it in the description below, but it's almost like a greeny yellow colour, bright. But yeah, I'll put the actual name of the paints that I use to mix that. Oh, too much. What am I doing? Okay. And I'm just wanting a little drizzle of plain black acrylic paint in there. Just that. Alright, now I'm going to go back through and put a white around the colours. Just so it flows. Oh! God, look at me go today, just pouring it everywhere. Okay, now the hairdryer. So there's not much purple coming through, but the cells are absolutely amazing. So all my paints were just acrylic paint with the water apart from that yellowy green colour. I did put the tiniest little bit of Floetrol in there, and these cells are just amazing. So I want some of this purple blush colour in here somewhere, so I'm just going to this. Nope, that's not working. What have I done? Try the hairdryer again. Really love that blue. I don't know what is going on now. I might. Blow these out. Just gonna swipe that off because I really don't like those colours there. Some more. Better. Alright, so I'm really happy with that. Love the colours and the cells that are coming through. Very simple but bright, and it pops. So I am happy with that. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember, subscribe, like and comment. Yeah, so I'll see you next time.